If you're watching this, you probably feel stuck in life or you have no direction to go. And it's not just you, all of us gets this feeling at some point of our life. But have you ever wondered why we feel this way? School or society never taught us what to do when we feel lost. That's why most people stay stuck and just work a 9 to 5 job until they are old and waste their lives away. But if you're still watching this, it shows me that you're trying to improve your life and you're already ahead of 50% of the people in life right now. And I'm going to give you the main 3 reasons why you are lost in life, so make sure to watch until the end of this video. So first of all, you lack a purpose or a mission in life. If you played video games before, you know there's always like main quest, side quest that gives us a direction to go and we would automatically know what to do. And they promise us some kind of rewards, so we would be motivated to do that quest. But that's absolutely not the case in real life. No one really told you what to do or gave you a quest in real life unless you're still in school. But once you get out of school system and start working your job, that's not the case anymore. That's when you realize the life you're going to live, or you're living it already, isn't the one that you really wanted. But at the same time, you don't know what's your purpose or what you actually want to do. So that brings us to the next question. How do you find purpose? The one and easiest way to find your purpose is to try and do everything that you ever thought of trying to do. Instead of over consuming content on the internet and pondering over what to do, just start taking action and do the thing right away. Because that way you will learn much more and you will actually know if that's the right thing for you. If you want to be a chef, try making your own meals for 30 days straight. If you want to be a programmer, go stay consistent on a course for 30 days straight. We are in the golden age of internet. You can literally find free resources on the internet and YouTube. So you don't really have an excuse to not do something that you want to try to do. And second of all, you are not confident. There's not much I can say about this, but you can fix this by just doing the thing instead of overthinking. Overthinking only leads to more negative thoughts, so you have to start doing the thing, and once you see some results, that's where confidence naturally comes in. And lastly, your mindset. This is the reason why 90% of the people stay stuck in life and work a 9 to 5 job until they retire. Because all they do is just complain instead of trying to learn from something or someone. For example, they will see someone successful, someone who's rich, and they blame it all on luck. But they never reflect on it and try to work hard themselves to achieve that thing. Everyone just deludes themselves and stays stuck in their comfort zone. But if you want to be successful, you cannot be the same like them. You have to get out of a comfort zone and do the thing that most people would never even try to do. Do you think the people who are successful in life just sit at home and do nothing all day? That's literally what 90% of the normies do. So if you want to be successful, you have to choose the right role model to follow. That's it for this video. If you like my content, you can consider subscribing and leave a like so YouTube will push my video to more people trying to improve. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.